Hey guys, Retro Badger here. So in this video, we're going to put the Miranda 2.5 up against the USS Prometheus. In terms of predictions, the Prometheus has multi-vector assault mode. We can also launch a fighter if they do that. And in terms of weaponry, it could be quite even actually. So let's see what happens. Okay, they're firing photons. I'm not actually using the stock Prometheus, as it's not accurate in my opinion. I'm using a different Prometheus mod, which I believe is more accurate. And it can pack more of a punch with its phasers. Okay, not bad.
Our forward shield is draining. Sir, our aft shield is draining.
Sir, we are draining their top.
Ooh. So their phasers are very effective, as we saw in the fight with the Romulan warbirds. It was so cool that when they combined phaser power, and it seems to get right through the Romulan shield. I've never seen the Romulans run away so fast. Oh! Wow. Okay, they've got some major damage there. I'm going to do this battle from the other way around as well. Not even had to launch our fighter, have we? But it might help.
Integrity at 20%.
Here's the thing though, when a ship is doing multi-vector assault mode, it's quite vulnerable for a few seconds, isn't it? We're in the wing. Huh. Okay. There we go. Right, let's try that the other way around.
That's it.
But first, of course, we have to reintegrate. Yes! And we didn't collide. Okay. Oh! Shields have gone. This mod of the Prometheus focuses mainly on its phasers, which, as we saw in the show, the phasers were powerful. There are no quantum torpedoes, as, well, we didn't see any quantum torpedoes, did we? There was no mention that it had those. And it would appear Starfleet only puts quantum torpedoes on very select ships. Best thing to do with this ship will be to try and stay away from the front of it.
Sir, we are draining their top shield.
I don't think there's... oh no. I don't think there's much benefit to doing multi-vector, if I'm honest. Against one target. Oh gosh, this is going to be bad. This is going to really hurt. Flippin' heck. Well, we're doing some damage. Oh, we're getting through the armor.
Sir, their aft shield is draining.
Gosh. They can really fire a lot of torpedoes, can't they? Wow. No, we're through the armor! I'm not even sure why I'm even targeting the shield generator. We can't hit it. Do you think the Prometheus would have had quantum torpedoes? Wow, there we go. So which ship is the most powerful? Gotta give it to the Miranda, I guess. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.